Welcome to Numbers World. Today we are going to solve past papers of ICATS Mathematics Contest of year 2023 for grade 1 and 2. Question number 1. Which group has maximum number of buttons? Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 or Group 4? So if we count the number of buttons in each group, Group 1 has 8 buttons, Group 2 has 10, Group 3 has 7 buttons, and there are 11 buttons in Group 4. So Group 4 has maximum number of buttons. So option D is the correct option, Group 4. Question number 2. Which is the heaviest? Option A is a jar of honey. Option B is a leaf. C is beans. And option D is a kite. So it's quite obvious that option A, the jar of honey, is heaviest of all. Question number 3. Honey is preparing for his exams that are in the first week of the month of April. He has 2 months for the preparations of exams. Which is the present month? So if we start writing the months from the start, it's January, February, March and April. So 2 months before April, it's February. So option B is the correct option. Question number 4. Which pot holds the least amount of the water? If we look at the widths of the pots, the widths are almost same. Now we are going to consider the heights of the pots. So pot 3 is shortest of all. So it will hold least amount of the water. So option C is the correct option, pot 3. Question number 5. Which of the following activities can be done in 1 minute? Option A is playing cricket. Option B is going to school. Option C is sharpening a pencil, and the last option, option D, is doing homework. So option C is the correct option here. We can sharpen a pencil in a minute or less than a minute. Question number 6. Raheel started his football practice from 1st December 2014. If he practices for 20 days excluding Sundays, his practice finishes on dash. So the 1st December is on Thursday, so we will start counting 20 days from 1, but we are going to skip Sundays. So 1, 2, 3, skip it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we will skip 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, skip 18, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 23rd is the 20th day of his practice. So he will finish his practice on 23rd of December, which is a Friday. So option B is the correct option here. He finishes his practice on Friday. Question number 7. Ali buys one costliest item and one cheapest item. If he gives a rupees 50 note to the seller, how much money will he get back from the seller? So if we look at the costs of the objects, the most expensive thing here is the burger, which is of rupees 20, and the most cheapest thing is milkshake. The cost of the milkshake is rupees 10. So the total of the cost of burger and milkshake is equal to 30. If Ali gave 50 rupees note to the seller and seller deducted 30 rupees out of 50, so the remaining amount is 20 rupees. So option A is the correct option. Question number 8. Asif is shorter than Ahmed. Ahmed is shorter than Jamil, and Naveed is taller than Asif but shorter than Ahmed. Who is the tallest among them? So let's write the first part of the sentence. That is, Asif is shorter than Ahmed and Ahmed is shorter than Jamil. And the second part of the sentence is that Naveed is taller than Asif. So we can write it like this, that Asif is smaller than Naveed and Naveed is shorter than Ahmed. So if we adjust Naveed in the first statement, it will be written like this, that Asif is shorter than Naveed, Naveed is shorter than Ahmed, and Ahmed is shorter than Jamil. So according to this statement, Jamil is tallest of all. So option D is the correct option here. Question number 9. The blocks show 24 plus 7. There are enough ones to regroup into a 10. How many 10s and 1s would you have if you regrouped? So we already have 2 10s here. If we take 7 green ones and 3 orange ones. The total is 10. So we can say that we have 3 10s and 1 ones. So option A is the correct option here. Question number 10, read the story. There are 8 birds, then 7 birds flew away. Choose a subtraction sentence to match the story. So there were 8 birds and 7 flew away means 7 are gone. So the remaining bird is 1. Option C is the correct option over here, which matches the story. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Question number 11, you buy 2 boxes of eggs as shown below. You use half of the eggs in the cake. How many eggs are left? We can see there are 6 eggs in the first box and 6 eggs in the second box. The total is 12. So half of the eggs means we will take 6 out of 12. So the remaining eggs are 6. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 12, which of the following does not have corners? So option A is a matchbox which has 8 corners. Option B is a billiard which has 4 corners. Option C is a cube which has 8 corners in it. And option D is a plate which has no corner. So option D is the correct option. Question number 13, which unit should be used to measure length of a pencil? Option A is meter. Option B is centimeter. Option C is kilometer. And option D is none of these. So option B is the suitable option. The length of a pencil is around 8 to 9 centimeters. So this is the correct one. Question number 14, if standing lines are called sleeping lines are called curved lines, and curved lines are called slanting lines, then the circle is formed by dash. We know a circle is formed by curved lines, but in this question, the curved lines are called slanting lines. So option B is the correct option here. The circle is formed by slanting lines. Question number 15, which of the following shapes is missing in the given figure? Option A is triangle. There are 2 triangles at the top. Option B is circle. There are 4 circles in the given shape. Option C is a square. There is no square in the given shape. Option D is rectangle. So there are many rectangles in the given figure. So option C is the correct one. There is no square here. Question number 16, what comes next in this sequence? So if we look at the sequence carefully, there is a jump of 2. 17 minus 2 is 15, 15 minus 2 is 13, 13 minus 2 is 11, 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, and if we subtract 2 out of 7, the next number will be 5. So now we can see the color of the rectangle. First of all, we have purple color, then yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. So the next rectangle will be of purple color. So option D is the correct option here. A purple rectangle with the number 5 will be next in the sequence. Question number 17, your teacher has requested you to find a quarter of this cake. You should dash. Quarter means 4. So if you have to find quarter of the cake, you will cut it into 4 equal parts. So option B is the correct option here. Question number 18, the following clocks show the time when some friends got the newspaper on Wednesday morning. Who got the newspaper latest? So Ali got the newspaper at 11 o'clock, Ahmed got it at 9 o'clock, and Asif got the newspaper at 10 o'clock. So if we look at all the clocks, Ali got the newspaper latest. So option A is the correct option here, because 11 comes after 9 and 10 o'clock. Question number 19, a milkman has below 3 milk vessels. How many total milk can he carry? So in the first vessel, he can carry 5 liters of milk. In the second vessel, he can carry 2 liters of milk. So 5 liters plus 2 liters is equal to 7 liters. And in the third vessel, he can carry 500 milliliters of milk. So the total milk he can carry is 7 liters and 500 milliliters. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 20. A teacher told her students to draw a picture of a car. All students drew the car differently. Next day, when they showed their pictures to each other, they were very excited. But Ali started laughing. He was looking at Fatima's drawing of a car. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings looked different. Fatima said she had looked at the car from the terrace. Which picture of the car was drawn by Fatima? So imagine yourself standing on the terrace and looking at the car. As terrace is at height, so you will get the top view of the car. So if we look at all the pictures of the car, part 2 is the drawing of the Fatima because this is the top view of the car. So option B, car 2 is the correct option here. I hope you like my video, so don't forget to like and comment on it and subscribe my channel.